are going to begin our fourth session of first chapter 9 history, that is with the sixth sources of Harappan civilization, that is dockyards. Up to now we have completed 5 more sources of Harappan civilization. Now we are moving to the sixth sources, that is dockyards. A rectangular dockyard was discovered at Lothal in Gujarat, the another site. Up to now we have seen two sites of Harappan civilization, Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Now a newly site of Harappan civilization, that is of Lothal, which is in Gujarat. What is the features of dockyard? It was surrounded by a massive brick wall, a wall filled by bricks, probably as a protection against flood. The dockyard made a baked bricks was connected by channels to Gulf of Campe. Lothal was important trading and manufacturing center of Indus Valley civilization and was used for carrying out overseas trade. So Lothal dockyard was found in Lothal. All the 4 areas were covered with brick wall. It was meant for escaping from the natural calamities and for manufacturing the goods. It was the features of dockyards of the most important sources of Harappan civilization. Now the 7th sources of Harappan civilization is known as script. As you see, there are number of scripts which is symbolized. The Harappans use a script which is regarded as pictographic signs. So the Harappan people used pictographic symbols, pictographic signs. There are, as you see, all those letters which are described in a pictographic signs. It represents really birds, fish and varieties of the human form. So all those they have also used for the script some human form. First we have seen some pictographic and the human form, some of the human form of representatives, birds, fish and varieties of. The number of signs of Harappan script is known to between 375 and 400. The script is found inscribed on a number of seals, copper tools, rims of jars, copper and terracotta, tablets, jewelry and on an ancient signboard. These are some of the most important place where they have inscribed the signs, where they have inscribed the symbols. So these are the most important Harappan sites. First already have seen Harappa on 1921. So all these, please try to remember any 2-3 names of the Harappan sites. First we have seen Harappa already 1921. Second Mohenjo-daro 1922. Then Chandharu, Kalibangan, Kodiji, Lothal in Gujarat. Just recently we have discussed, and Shurkotada and Dola Veera. These are the most important Harappan sites. Now we are moving to the origin of civilization. The origin of civilization. That means regarding the civilization there are 2 types of beliefs. There are 2 types of beliefs regarding the Harappan civilization. They are foreign origin and indigenous origin. I shall explain you very briefly. Foreign origin means what? The people of Harappa came from Europe. They came from outside. That means just like the scholars and who came from outside. That means as a part of Mesopotamian civilizations, which is the foreign origin means the people which all not were born or came from India but from outside. That's the meaning of foreign origin. What's about indigenous? Indigenous means what? The people of Harappa already were there in Indian soil. Even before number years ago, there were some of the people already started the Harappan civilization. So that is another belief that the Harappan people were originated from India itself. So these two are the most important origin of civilization: foreign origin from outside, indigenous, those who all are laid deep in Indian soil. This is the extension of the civilization. Extension means which all are the area that covered the civilization. Let's see, the entire area of Harappan civilization is triangular in shape and account for about 1.3 million square kilometer. That's the overall boundary of Harappan civilization, 1.3 million square kilometer, and was the largest area among the ancient civilization. It was the Harappan civilization was the largest ancient civilizations. And which all are the boundaries? It extended from Sutkandur in the west and Alamgir in the upper Ganga Yamuna Dove in western UP, in the east, and from Manda in Jammu, in the north in Bangadha in Narmada estuary in south. These all are the places that is given to the things, and rest of the pages given there the most important parts of Harappan civilization. That means in a state wise, place wise, they have given number of places which are the parts of Harappan civilization. That's about the today's topic. Whatever discuss, don't forget to read again, listen again, understand. Then we will meet in the next class. Thank you for everyone to watch me.